Hey ladies, it's Styles by Rachelle here with another hair install. If you are interested in any of my wigs, stop at www.thestylesbyreerachelle.com and go get yours today. Today we are going to be installing the Sassy unit, Monday motivational as well. So go ahead and tap into these quotes I got for you guys. But anyway, we are going to start this video off with a raw edit of my client. This is her, my beautiful client. And we are going to just basically braid her hair down and make sure that her hair is just smoothed back. Of course, I use oil to protect her hair. I'm using a beige pantyhose just for the cap for today. I know sometimes I mix up the caps, but today we are using a pantyhose. Sew down the perimeter of the hair just to make sure that everything is equipped and this cap does not go anywhere. If I was using a different cap, I would not be sewing down the perimeter, but because I'm using pantyhose, that's what I'm doing. Got to be sprayed on the top of the perimeter. Her hair as well. Blow dryer. Do not be talking about my blow dryer because you know what? My utensils go through a lot because sometimes I just be, it just be walking. I don't know what happened to that damn blow dryer. So, of course, I cut the perimeter of the stocking cap and cut off the unnecessary stocking cap that I do not use or need. And I'm just going to apply just some pressure, apply pressure, liar. Body need to apply pressure for you. Yeah, apply pressure. Anyway, okay, so at this part, it's really important to make sure that you are cutting that excess cap. Like, make sure that cap is close but not too close to her hairline. This is what makes that wig install natural looking. You ever looked at somebody's wig and thought that don't even look like her hairline? Well, this is why you have to make sure that you're customizing the wig and the style according to the client's natural hairline. I just gave y'all free game, and if y'all not gonna pick that up, I don't know, y'all might have to watch the video and rewind and watch it again and hear what I just said. Customize that wig cap to the hairline as close as possible so that your wig install will look natural. Okay, next, this is what we're gonna do next. We're just gonna go ahead and just give me some spray. I like to use my True Match, and of course I'm going to use dark. I like to just mix it up too and use some concealer and put both of them on there, honey. Then I'm going to just go ahead and plot on top of her cap, okay? Stocking cap, pantyhose, whatever, y'all. I keep on messing up that part, but you know what? At this point, I don't give a shit, okay? Just apply it on top and make sure that, it is good. And we're gonna just cut off excess stocking cap as well. This part is kind of like tedious, but I really like to just focus on to this part because you know what, it's worth it. Like, you have to make sure that it's cut according to that client's hairline. So we're going to finish this up, make sure that everything is cut properly. Make sure when you are doing this, you are using the good products. This is the Boho Liquid Gold. I'm going to apply a little bit of this on top because this is going to be a glueless install. Love glueless installs because you could pop them off, take them off, put them on, drop them off, pick them up. Whenever you're ready to put that wig on, you can just grab that product that I just showed you, pop it on the perimeter of your hair or your skin. You're good, and then pop the wig on. So this is the wig right here. This is called the Sassy unit, like I said earlier. If you want to go purchase this wig, go ahead and go on www.thestylesbyreerachelle.com and go purchase your wig. Quad pay is available. If y'all want to go ahead and go with the quad pay, y'all can go quad pay. If you want to pay in full, baby. Whatever you like. What is your world? So all the wigs come custom made. So as y'all can see that the wig is already custom made, plucked and all that good stuff. I'm really just prepping it, making sure it's flat. So when I pop on this wig, it's going to look gorgeous. So this is a 5x5 closure, and it's 18 inches, and I'm about to just go ahead and pop it on to the client's head and watch as I go. All right, so I got the wig on. I'm just literally just finding the clip, trying to clip her hair in the back, because the wig does come with clips and it comes with a band. So make sure that it's more secure and it has a lot of security. As y'all can see, I literally popped this wig on and it's almost ready to go. That's crazy. Y'all can tell my good sis is happy. Like, she like, this is my hair at this point. And yeah, that's how it's supposed to be when you get a wig from Styles by Rerachelle. So next, I'm just going to flatten it down. And I'm going to cut the perimeter of the excess lace that need to be cut. And also going to pluck a little bit, because, you know, you can't just stop on the pluck. Like, you got to keep plucking. You know, don't just think that, oh, okay, it's already plucked. Ooh, no, pluck some more. Make sure that it is flat. Make sure it's natural for your client, because at the end of the day, you will want that done to you. Done to you. Okay, so make sure you do that for your clients. And I'm just going to pull the hair back, and I'm going to spray and put a little bit more product onto the perimeter of the wig. So, of course, baby girl wanted some baby hairs, and whatever clients want any, they get. So, I'm just going to add some baby hairs onto the style. I like to go ahead and just pull out a perimeter on the side. Make sure that you are plucking as well. Like I said earlier in the video about making the wig look like their hairline, make sure it look like their hairline. So what I like to do is just cut it out in a diagonal, so that when I do the baby hairs, it'll be straight and curved. So I'm going to show y'all later on, once I start positioning the baby hairs later on, what I'm talking about right now. But right now, I'm just molding everything and making sure that everything is like correlating together. So I'm just going to pluck the front a little bit, and I'm going to just pluck all the necessary hairs that I need to pluck. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and make those baby hairs, and I'm going to just cut and pluck some more, because I'm so much of a perfectionist. It don't make no sense. As y'all can see, that baby hair looks exactly how it needs to look. Cut off the excess lace and go ahead and do the same thing that you did on the other side. You should be good. Pulling down that hair, also making sure that it's a straight line. Use some pressing comb just to flatten out that front, and also makeup on there when you need it. I'm going to pull a little bit more of the baby hairs down, because she wanted a little bit dramatic look. You know, Ree don't ever do like dramatic, but it always look natural and dramatic, but it's also like a good dramatic. So yeah, that's what we doing today. I'm just pulling the hair down. As y'all can see, look at the hair. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. The hair that I provide with my wigs are 100% raw hair, so you don't have to worry about nothing being processed. This is all virgin hair. So that's one thing I like to have and offer you guys, because it's good hair, babe. The gooder, the better, gooder, the better. The better the hair, the longer it lasts, okay? So just want to make sure of that when y'all purchase this wig, and you are getting nothing but the best. So right now, I'm just going to focus on the baby hairs. I'm going to curl every inch of that hair, just to make sure that, you know, when I do the baby hairs, it will swoop and do that C formation. So I like to just move the edge brush into a C formation just to get that baby hair look. Make sure you cut off any excess hair when you are doing that as well. Yeah, so that once the C formation gets out of place when the client leaves, it won't. You know, like, just got to make sure everything is set. So nothing wrong with a little bit face framing. Make sure you face framing the hair towards the front of the client's hair. I like to do face framing because it always makes the style look better. Like, other than just having it straight, you can face frame it. A lot of people ask about my flat irons, and if you are one of the ones that are curious about what flat irons I use, these are the Baby Bliss Pros Titaniums. I think I got like 3 pairs of these because, yeah, they are so damn good. $65. That's how much I purchased, and that's how much my investments on this flat iron was. Okay, so if y'all want to go get one, go ahead and get one. Look it up on Amazon. Look it up on search engine. Also, I might just have it listed in the description for you guys so that y'all could just click the link and purchase. How about that? I think that'd be better for you guys. Yeah. Good investment. Love my flat irons. I can literally hit the hair with one hit and then boom, it's good. On top of my hair being good as well, like I said earlier in the video. And yeah, I'm going to continue to just flat iron the hair and make sure that it's straight. I know y'all see that cut, I know y'all see it. Just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to add my finished touch-ins onto her hair. As y'all can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I don't know if y'all didn't remember what I said earlier. This is the Sassy Unit, located on www.thestylesbyreerachelle.com. If y'all want yours, go ahead and go get yours because, yeah, it's most definitely a vibe. So, yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me install this wig. Stay tuned for next videos that I have for you guys. Peace later. Love you. Bye. They look natural. Okay. Girl, that looks good.